Hello guys, you're welcome to Mixing with Mando Johnson. I hope you're good, I hope you're fine. I hope you have liked and subscribed to this channel. Please, if you haven't, remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about recording audio into your DAW. Very simple and short. Now, this is a special request by somebody. His name is Segun Wealth. Segun Wealth is a dope photographer. He is so dope. So he requested that I should do a short video for him so he could be doing his work, his music work at his leisure time. So now, what do you do when recording your audio? Now, any DAW you're using, process is the same. Now, firstly, I have my microphone connected to my audio interface. Your audio interface is your sound card. So whatever sound card you're using has how many whatever channels. Plug your mic to your audio interface. Next thing you do is you make sure the mic is on. So for instance, you're using a condenser microphone, you would need phantom power to make sure the mic is working. Now, your phantom power might be, you just see a button with plus 48. That's your phantom power. I am using the Behringer XR18, and as you can see, my mic is on. There's plus 48 on. That makes my mic on. Now, my XR18 has about 18 channels input. So, and my mic is connected to input 2. That is also very important. Now in my DAW, I come to add a track. There are several shortcuts. Maybe if you know your shortcuts, use your shortcut key. But then, when you come up the bar, you'd see tracks. So what do you want? I want a new track. I want a new audio track. I want a new software instrument track. Blah, blah, blah. I want an audio track. I click here. Now it just comes and it just gives me a track automatically. And but there are things that should be in place. So now, if for instance you just come here and you say new audio track, when it opens up, luckily for me and you, we have audio coming in, because the last time I tried this, or the last time I plugged my mic, I used the same input. What if it comes with another input? So I have another input and you cannot see any signal. So on your inspector track, which is this, you're able to change inputs for whatever audio you're recording. So if I come back to input 2, since my mic is connected to input 2 on my audio interface, on my sound card, on my mixer, then you see signal. Now another way to do it is I click this plus button and it's asking me the same thing. What kind of track do I want? Audio, instrument, external MIDI, guitar or bass, drummer. Guitar or bass is also audio, but Logic just has its own trick. It might just give you some other options when you put guitar or bass. Now I click this audio and input should be input 2, because that is where my mic is connected to on my audio interface. And I create, so I have another track coming in on input 2. This track is also coming in on input 2. The two of them are coming in on input 2. So I'll delete one. Now, I advise you name your tracks appropriately before recording, because your raw audio files are going to come up with whatever name your track is named. So I put voice over 1. Now, when you see this R here, is because my track is armed for recording. So I have unarmed my track for recording. That means this track is not ready to record. This I here is your input monitoring. Just makes you see, okay, this signal coming into this track. So I don't need it on. Now I need it armed for recording. And then I press my record button. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, hey. Now you see I've recorded my audio Maybe I need to zoom it a bit so you see exactly what is there. But let me just raise the gain a little bit. Oh, I prefer raising my gains in the audio file. Now I've raised the gain. So let's play it and hear. Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, oh. Hey, hey. Simple and straight to the point. That is how you record into your DAW. Any DAW would be the same process. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers, guys.